Hey everyone, how are you? I am Rishikesh, connecting to you guys after a long time. Hope you all are doing good. So, agentic AI always fascinated me. From last couple of years, how exploded. If you are not living under a cell, you should have known about this term called vibe coding. It it fascinates me because it shows how anyone can build things even without deep coding knowledge. While exploring Transformers and LLM architectures, which is like core of all these chatbots like Grok, Gemini, ChatGPT. I want to try this vibe coding out myself. I wanted to know like what agents can do before deep diving into what agents are and how to build some agents from scratch. So I decided to create a simple vibe project, something anyone could build just by using prompts. Uh, so I tried with a Chrome plugin called Quick Thoughts quick thoughts which I just created using vibe coding. So this is a plugin, Chrome plugin, which anyone can use. uh, so let me so we all get random ideas all the time in meetings, while jogging, or while reading online, but most of them vanish before we can use them. So this quick thoughts actually solves them. It lets you capture any thoughts instantly and later ask AI to clean it up, create notes, and lot of action items out of it. So let me show you how it actually works. First, let me show you how it actually works. Then I will show you how I build it. So let me go to extensions. Where is extension? Yeah, extension, manage extensions. So developer mode is on here. I will click on load and packed. Then I am inside quick thoughts directory and I clicked on select. So as you can see, it's now got added here. Okay. So suppose I am on this website, React Developers Guide. If you don't know about React, it's a very cool framework to build any website. So if you get time, please read about it. Okay, so now this is quick thoughts. So now if you click on it, you can see like you can open it using command shift O. Like if you are in middle of something, you can quickly press command shift O and it will open it for you. There is a dashboard, there is a settings, then here you can write your own ideas and you can save it. This analyze part, what it will do is it will call any model, like Gemini, like Grok, like GPT, and it will just add to do item. Like suppose uh, I want to say learn React fundamentals, uh, or what is HTML. Okay, suppose I am very new to React. I don't know what is HTML, so I just write a note here while going through it that okay, I have to learn this, what is HTML, and I will just click on save. As you can see here, a new note came here. Another way is by pressing Alt Shift O. No, Command Shift O. Okay, let me try with my MacBook. Command Shift O. Okay, so now we get this block. So suppose while going through text, I got some idea or some pending item. Okay, I have to go to market, or suppose I have to buy a new headphones. Okay, buy a headphone in couple of days. Okay, click on enter. So now if you see here, it got added here. So now we have an analyze section and delete section. Now if you click on analyze here, Okay, it's just repeating it because right now we have not configured any GPT here, any LLM here, which will create a detailed description of this. So what we'll do is we'll open the settings. As you can see here, we have to add. We can select our free tier grok, and we have to enter our API key. So let me quickly enter my API key. It's private, so I will delete it after this course. Okay. This is using this particular LLM. So basically the job of LLM is to predict. Whatever you say to him, it will predict the next statement, next word, next token, and then we'll create a wrapper around LLM which will answer our questions. Something like that. Means I'm still learning. So yeah. So I've added this. Now if you come here in the extensions tab, and you will click on analyze here. See, it gives you these things: buy a headphone within the next couple of days, look in various compare prices. It started creating a to-do list, what you can do to achieve this. See, and see, it created all the to-dos list. And learn React fundamentals, analyze. You can see here it create a lot of to-dos for you, what you can do to achieve this. 1 second. Yeah. Okay, there is one more thing which is called analyze all. Okay, so what this button analyze all will do, it will go through all the notes that you have created, and it will create a to do and a note section, as you can see, aggregated. Okay, let me show you one more cool feature. So suppose you are on this page and you want to learn rules of hooks. So what you can do is you just right click on it, and you can click on save selection to quick thoughts. Now when you come here, you will see rule of hooks. Isn't it cool? So now when you click on analyze, it will show you understand and how you are going to learn it with the due dates and a lot of things. And now when you click on export PDF, okay, I'm just exporting the to do and notes to keep a track of it. Later I will enhance it to export everything, all these things. Right now it's just exporting the to do and notes because that's the main thing. So when we click on analyze all, see, it created to dos with the reminders, and in the notes it give a brief note of all the notes that I've created. So if we click on dashboard here, this is a simple dashboard which will tell you what all to-dos you have and what is the priority, what is the due date, all these things it will tell you. So suppose read a blog post, create a budget. So okay, let's create a budget for headphones. So suppose I have done this. So when I click on it, it will come here in the completed section saying you that okay, you have created the budget of headphones. And you can create reminders also, like every 5 minutes or every 1 hour, 6 hour, 24 hours. So it will give you reminder as a alert saying that okay, all these things are due here. You can start the reminder, you can clear the reminder, view alarms. When you click on it, it will show you all the alarms. Okay, so suppose I've clicked on set reminder here, reminder is scheduled. When you see the view, okay, I didn't came here, let me try here. Okay, so now if you see the view alarms, now all the alarms has been set. And when we click on export PDF, it will show me all the to-dos and all the notes that I've created. Cancel. Okay, So now suppose I have done all my to-dos, and if I come here and check quick thoughts, all my to-dos are done, all the notes are gone because I've already completed that. Just these notes are here to give a quick reference of what I have searched till now. Okay, so in the settings section, I can also export it in a JSON format. So if I click on export, and it will create a JSON format, you can find it out. So why this is exciting? Okay, why this is different from other notes apps or plugins? Because be- I because here my task is, or my work is, just to capture my raw thoughts. Okay, and I am allowing LLM, or this analyze all button is powered by a transformer model. This is the same architecture behind ChatGPT. Think of it like a smart librarian. So you hand it a messy note and it scans quickly, find what matters, and rewrites it clearly. That's how modern AI turns thoughts into structured output. So this is my first step towards understanding agentic AI. Agents are like giving that librarian permission to act. Not just rewrite, but also remind me, create tasks, and connect with my tools. Quick Thoughts is a small taste of what future looks like. So I have published the full code on my GitLab URL. If you, where is my GitLab? GitHub URL. So if you see here, and let me come here. Yeah, Quick Thoughts. Yeah. So I have published my code here. You are free to come here and try it out. And in the readme sections, I have explained like what is this, what it will do. Uh, yeah, you can go through it and then understand the architecture and exactly what it will do and how it will do. So this is just first phase of this app or this plugin. Next step is to move these to dos to some apps, to different apps like Slack, or to Todoist or Notion or something like on regular basis. I don't want to do it. I want all things to be handled by AI. So here if you see all the priorities, so if suppose if I come here and if I add um, want uh, want to create a model, a chatbot for suppose chatbot specific to farmers. Okay, so yeah, so now if I click on analyze all, okay, it will create all the to dos for me. Okay, so it gives a priority of it. Okay, I don't want to go into priorities and all. I just want a task which can be executable by me in a small time frame. Okay, to implement this, I want to break it down into small steps. So all these things is done by my done by LLM. Okay, done by this app. So yeah, so this is just the beginning. Okay, so next I want to add Notion integration, Markdown support, daily digest. But even today, Quick Thoughts is my personal assistant inside Chrome. So thank you everyone for watching. Okay, before ending, let me quickly show you how I build it without knowledge of even a single language. I have not written one single line of code here in this one. All these is generated by my agent. So now if you see here, let me go to the top. I will show you how I interacted with it. So if you see, so as you can see here, I have given a prompt telling him, okay, this is your assignment, and now I want to create it. I have something in mind. Generally, I get random thoughts like while in meeting, while jogging, while in session. I want to note it down and can use it later on. So I just given him this and asked him whether it's a good idea or not, and it gave me answer. It interacted with me in form of question and answer. It always asks you at questions in the end, okay, because it wants to predict the next set of items. Then I just interacted with him like, what do you think? I want to capture raw data and let my model to decide for me. So it started creating everything. See, everything, it's like magic. Everything it's creating from scratch. Then I integrated LLM. I asked him how to get API key. And then when I ran it, I faced a lot of issues. So I just interacted with it, like I allowed it, but it's still not working, and a lot of other things. So yeah, you can also build one. So it's very easy. Let me know in comments if you want to learn the basics of LLM and transformers, how these works behind it. Yeah, I will be more than happy to answer it. So thanks for watching. Quick thoughts, capture, analyze, act. Thank you so much.